What's up, welcome po sa akin channel. Ngayon po ay papakinggan, panonoorin po natin ang official statement po ni Andy Eigenman sa pagkamatay po ng kanyang ina na si Jacqueline Jose. Wala na po tayong kalapang-gapang iba pa, sisimulan ko na po ito. Let's do this. Sama pala niya si Gabi, no?
It's with great sadness that I announce the untimely passing of my nanay, Mary Jane Gok, better known as Jacqueline Jose. At the age of 60, on the morning of March 2nd, 2024, due to a myocardial infarction or a heart attack. We'd like to thank everyone who has since extended their prayers and condolences to us as our family is trying to come to terms with this unfortunate incident. Please provide us the respect and privacy to grieve, and we hope this would put all speculations to rest. I'd just like to say that her undeniable legacy will definitely forever live on through her work, through her children, grandchildren, and the many lives she's touched. As she herself, her life itself was her greatest obra maestra. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe no, sakit niyan, no? Biglaan. Heart attack pala ang kinamatay po ni, ni Miss Jacqueline Jose. Talaga pong traitor po yung sakit na yan, no? Yung stroke, di ba? Yung mga ganyan, heart attack. Yun, condolence po kay Andy, saka po kay Gabi Eigenman at sa buong pamilya ni Miss Jacqueline Jose, no? And rest in peace po kay Miss Jacqueline Jose. Napakagaling na artista. Sobrang dekalidad pong artista po talaga, award-winning actress. Sobrang bata pa po, no? 60 lang po siya, no? Nung nawala po siya. Ayun nga po, nung humihingi po si Andy Eigenman na magkaroon sila ng privacy, no? At yun po, kumbaga gusto po nila na na yung mga speculation po ay mawala na po, kasi po yung official statement na po niya to, no? Yun po, heart attack po ang kinamatay po ni Miss Jacqueline Jose. Yun lang po, no? Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. Ayun yung po, rest in peace po kay Miss Jacqueline Jose and condolence po sa buong pamilya. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo lahat. God bless and peace out. Bye.